Yes, so yung contract ko for ABS-CBN is for 3 years. So hanggang 2060, I'll be a kapamilya. Kaya masaya-masaya ako. Yeah.
So kasama na ba? Ano yung mga kasama dito sana sa pagmamahal ang may program by mga tele?
Yeah, actually, every 3 years naman. So every year, may work naman. So may shows and yun, shows.
Na-sink in pa ba sa'yo kung parang syempre compared to your mga colleagues mo, yung mga kasabayan mo, ikaw yung ngayon may contract, tuloy-tuloy ang trabaho.
Yeah.
So nag-sink in pa ba sa'yo ngayon or parang...
Yeah, parang it just reminds you na sorry, it reminds you na you have to keep on proving yourself. Parang, di ba, to stay here, you have to prove that you deserve to stay. So yun siguro, the more that they keep you, the more that I have to show some better naman this time. I have to do it better next time. You know, just keep showing people what you've got. So, you know, yeah, para they can see that, oh, you deserve to stay. Yeah, bigyan natin ito, okay naman to, so let you stay.
So yung pressure nandun na?
Yes, more of okay, kailangan, mas kailangan. Kesa sa, yes, solid to. It's also okay naman to enjoy, to relax, pero, di ba, it's work, so you gotta take it seriously. So.
Sa ngayon, Mirabella yung wino-work na?
Yes, yeah, we're doing Mirabella, tapos, actually, I think by this month, or next month, we should start naman ng shooting for my movie naman. So,
Movie with, meron pa din namang sabihin?
hindi ko, huwag muna, hindi pa nagsimula, so.
Pero kamusta ang Mirabella so far?
It's okay, actually, we nauna kasi, the character, medyo mahirap din. Kasi medyo malabo yung mata. So, ibang acting yan. So, but we worked on it naman. Kasi, siyempre, parang emergency, last minute lang pinasok. Pero everything went well naman, as expected. Parang nag-jive naman lahat ng characters. So, na-preview naman, it looked good. So,
I was working with Julia
Barreto.
Yeah.
I always love working Barreto, like first with Gretchen, kaya naman si Julia, sabi, oy, alagaan mo si Jules, akong bahala. Tsaka si Jules, ano naman siya, I mean, typical girl, makulit sa set, but she does her work properly, and she's really trying to catch up, kaya okay.
Ano yung abangan sa inyong dalawa dito sa...
Marami. We're gonna see Jeremy and Mira's love team, so let's see how it goes. We're just medyo tinitimpla pa, but it's gonna be okay.
What can you say na ang daming nag-react weekend na parang abruptly natapos agad yung Julken love?
Oo nga eh. So, actually, Julken pa naman, pero ibang Julia. I don't know, gano'n talaga eh. Diba? If it's work, you have to be paired with other people. So, wala. Yung fans medyo nagka-problema. Pero sabi naman, kahit maghiwalay kami, in the future, magka-next show kami. So, okay sila.
Pero do you miss working with Julia Montes?
What, sorry?
Na-miss mong makipag-work kay Julia Montes?
Oo naman. It's not like we only worked once, we work more than once pa. So, you get, tsaka if you work with somebody like, as a love team, siyempre may mga pinagsamahan kayo sa show for a long time that, diba, you can't really forget easily. Diba? So, yun.
Pero kasi, Ken, although nasagot mo na kasi medyo yung pagpunta mo sa Japan, medyo naging controversial siya with the pictures that came out sa web. So, ano ba talaga yung story?
Wala. We went there with family for vacation. We bumped into Banks and yung producer niya kasi she was their first show. Sabi na, uy, kung gusto mo, while you're here, gusto mo mag-side, rumakit lang. So, at least may punch up. Sabi, why not? Sige, let's go. So, yun lang. Nagpa-meet and greet sa club. So, yun.
Tapos yung girl is na nakita na parang medyo close sa'yo. Ano yung story behind it?
Fans yun. Sa likod doon, nakapila sila. So, nasa sofa kami. So, one by one. Basta mga Pinay na nagsishow.
Kasi yung mga reaction ng mga netizens.
Nambarkada doon ni fans, gano'n, yes.
Hindi, tsaka meron pa na parang very close naman ata kung magpapapicture na fan.
Parang mga fans, pakiss naman. Siyempre, diba? So, minsan sa iba, sige. So, yun.
So, ano lang talaga yun? Pure na pa-picture.
Yes,
Paano
yes.
siya, hindi siya yung mga nang-intriga na bago mong girlfriend, bago mong...
Wala. Hindi.
Bakit nga ba wala pang girlfriend siya?
Ewan ko. Kasi ako, I don't wanna look for girls, parang gusto ko.
They look for you?
No. Pwede rin. Joke lang. Hindi. More of ano kasi, pag hinahanap ko kasi, like, I need a girlfriend. Iba kasi sa yung na-feel mo na parang, okay to. Kaysa sa naghahanap ka, it's just, for me, it doesn't work that way.
You don't feel like you need it now?
No, I don't think so. Tsaka sa fans pa lang nila Julia, may problema na pag may iba. So, wag muna.
But do you hope na when we look at parang ibang mga team stars and nagiging benefit din, no? Pag parang you find a love team that clicks, that's on and off screen.
Yeah, okay rin. Pero minsan kasi okay rin kapag wala ka rin love team, kapag single ka, at least you can go with other partners, and diba? So when you partner up with another fan builds up from that love team. So parang it's more fluid ka lang pag wala kang ties. So it's better for me at this point pag single. So I don't rush naman, hindi na nag-rush. So,
What can you say that your ex is now admitted na involved na siya? O nililigawan na siya?
yes, narinig ko. Okay naman, I mean, we bumped into each other, tapos ito ko lang, parang kamusta? Yung nangyari, sabi niya, wala, okay naman. Tsaka I think nag-reunion sila, high school reunion.
Yeah.
So, yung isang kaklase niya, para best friend ko, so nagkwento na yun nga, that kinonfirm niya, so sabi, okay, so sabi, ingat lang.
Are you happy for her?
Yeah, I mean, of course. As long as she's happy and she knows what she's doing, then of course.
Pwede ba
Okay, resume na daw.